Hey, Josh here, PSL Water Guy. So we often get asked, how much does water treatment cost? And that's a very loaded question, as there's a lot of factors that go into it. The cost of water treatment greatly depends on if it's city or well water. City water uses a lot less components than well water. It's a lot easier to treat city water than well water. So let's talk about city water. City water has an inside system that purifies the water and an outside system that treats the water. The water comes into the water main and goes through some sort of water treatment process. This treatment process neutralizes chemicals and minerals before coming into the house. Once in the house, it's good to use for your appliances and shower, but for a consumption standpoint, we want to purify the water. Purification of the water has to go through a reverse osmosis membrane. Some of these machines want to say that you don't need reverse osmosis. I tell you, do your own research about what reverse osmosis removes and what things like Brita removes. Reverse osmosis scientifically has delivered the best results for water purification. Inside and outside, these systems range from 3,000 all the way up to 5,000 for city water application. It all depends on what your family needs. All of our evaluations are at no charge. We do not have any pressure sales. We try to teach you what can be done, answer any questions you have, and if we feel like it's a good relationship, then we move forward with scheduling of an install. When it comes to HOAs, we are HOA approved. The HOA packet and all of the hoops we got to jump through is part of our service for you, because we know it is difficult to jump through those hurdles. We want to do everything we can to make sure we get that city water treatment system installed for you ASAP. When it comes to well water, if you live on well water, you know that there's a lot of components from the well to the pump to the pressure tank to the treatment system. It goes on and on and on. To say how much exactly a well water system is going to cost is very difficult for me, because things are different. Some wells are beautiful, some have a lot of iron, some have hydrogen sulfide and smell very bad. All these treatment processes are different. Can range from $2,500 up to $25,000 depending on what you honestly want to do. If you have a well and you are curious about exactly what your property needs, give us a call and we will come out and test your water and give you an understanding of the best way to go about it. The next big factor is how many people are going to be using the water consistently. The amount of people is going to dictate the size of the system. The larger the system, the more ingredients. It's that simple. All of the systems here at PSL Water Guy are built to order. We want to make sure we listen to our customers about what their concerns are, what their needs are, and deliver a customized approach for their water treatment system. A lot of big box retailers are going to throw a lot of marketing and a lot of claims around their products. And one big problem I see is basing it on what somebody told you it's going to do. In my professional opinion, doing your own research is very important. Some of these other companies are saying that particular products don't need maintenance, they don't need service, you could drink from any tap, that you don't need to do reverse osmosis because this product is going to remove everything that RO does. Unfortunately, this isn't always truthful. And sometimes customers get persuaded with pressure and with fancy marketing. PSL Water Guy was built as a customer. Our objective when we took over the business was to ensure that all families here on the Treasure Coast had the opportunity to get cleaner, healthier water at an affordable price. PSL Water Guy builds all of his own systems based on the water qualities that we are finding. We have a warehouse right here in Port St. Lucie, a brick and mortar store. We do not allow anybody else to fill our machines. We do not buy our machines from a distributor. Every one of our machines has a customized bespoke process to ensure that you're getting the best water quality. So if you need cleaner, healthier water on the Treasure Coast, I'm Josh, PSL Water Guy.